Hello guys, welcome back. I hope people are doing well. Everyone is fine. They're keeping up with the weather. The weather seems fair enough these days. I think we're springing up gradually. So today I want to set up my husband is going to help me set up our chest drawers from IKEA. A couple of days ago, he hasn't been free to help set it up, so I think this evening he will help us set it up and then also organize my things inside the drawer. And okay, yes, I want to fix my room. You know, there's a table I want to change its position here in the room because I'll start working here soon in the room. I was working in the parlor initially, but I just want to move up to the room. I feel it's better, so I'll just prep everything before my laptop, my desktop, and probably a chair will be delivered to me from work, just to make sure everything is set for the arrival. Yes, and any other thing I get up to later in the day, I'll carry you guys along. Zayn, look there, this thing is very heavy.
Mommy?
Yes.
Dress. Mommy? I don't want this. Mommy, Didi.
Yay! The drawer has been set up. You guys, we set it up yesterday night. It took my husband 3 hours to set up this drawer. I'm sure you guys already saw the clips of when he was setting it up. It wasn't easy, but it's finally up and I'm so happy. I just want to organize my stuff now.
Broken. Don't ever forget you're golden. I will find the light in your soul. I'll be there. Never leaving you in the darkness.
You guys, I've been trying to set up my home office per se in our room. As you can see, I just have my desk and my laptop there. I'm trying to arrange the room. You know, I've been on it for a couple of days now. It's been draining. It's not easy. We're trying to push. See, my kids are on half term. Zayn just started school. I'm sure you guys already know because the video of when he started school, I already uploaded it. And how many times has he even gone? They are now on half term. Oh God, I'm so exhausted. I don't even know how I coped. I don't know how I coped with him all this while before he started school. Or is it because of the few days break I got while he was going to school that is making me so tired? The weather is so beautiful today. It's sunny. It's not so cold. But since I'm just used to putting on this my cap, I put it on every time. I'm still putting on this hoodie, just hoodie and shirt. You know, the weather is good today. It's been raining a couple of days, but today, thank God. See, the boy is talking plenty now. With so much energy. Oh my god. I don't know how I'll cope for this few days.
Here. Mommy?
Yes.
Mommy?
Yes.
Here.
Let me finish what I was doing. Oh god.
Never leaving you in the darkness, even when you're out of focus. I will be the light in your life, you'll see it clear. I'll be your inspiration, 'cause I know that you'll do just what you're told. I'll be your heart and temptation, 'cause I know that you'll make it on your own.
Zain, don't put my laptop. Oh. Yes. I finished laying bed. So that at least once I walk small and I'm tired, I'll lie down.
Mommy?
Oh my god, this kind of lazy man job. This bedsheet is so squeezed. I should have ironed it. I don't know. I don't even understand what I'm doing, Sha. But it's all good. Some people iron their bedsheet. I don't iron my bedsheet per se, but at times when it's very squeezed, depending on the material. But this one, no matter what, it's just squeezed. I've not tried ironing. Do you guys iron your bedsheet before laying it, or you just lay it like that and don't even care? I've seen some bed swift, smooth like this. I don't know if they iron it or the material. I don't know. But that's done. On to the next one. Zain is so obsessed with this Nathaniel Bassey's song, Their Ways About. He loves this song. He can sing it morning, afternoon, night. Joe, there was a day he was sleeping. In his sleep, he was singing it. He loves this song. Go and give Mama. Is it for you? Go and give Mama her ice cream. See, if you don't know how to say sorry, don't have kids. The moment you have kids, more than one, just be ready to be a referee, be a lawyer, and keep saying sorry. I said, let me just come and rest small. But my ear like this is just vibrating. Mommy. I've said too quarrel, tire. I've said sorry, tire. God, goodness gracious. This is a break. Let it just do an end. 1 week is looking like 100 days. You see this Zain, Zain is like 15 children. You know the drill. And he knows how to cry very well. He knows how to cry very well. And he can look for trouble. God. Let me rest small, and the time has even gone. Stop it to me. I've not been able to achieve the rest. I need to go and cook. Let me just end this vlog here. If you've watched up until this point, thank you so much. See you in my next video. Bye. Remain blessed and subscribe.